is in the form of donuts, but it doesn't taste like donuts. We actually enjoy this with our Hausa cocoa or porridge, and it is absolutely delicious. You can actually sprinkle some sugar on it and just enjoy it without the Hausa cocoa. On our bill of fare today, we have Pinkaso. Hello, nice to meet you. Let's get straight to today's video. So I have with me here a cup of warm water. I added a tablespoon of yeast and a pinch of sugar. Then put it in a warm place for 10 minutes. After that, I added 2 cups of flour and then added some blended pepper and onion. It wasn't smooth, okay? So out of the 1 cup of water, I took some from it and added it to the pepper and the onion to blend. So in all, I used 1 cup of warm water. So I'll mix it very well till it becomes smooth, okay? So after that, we are just going to leave this in a warm place. What you just saw I added was salt. You make sure you can mix it with the flour before everything, or you make sure it mixed very well. So after that, I'll put it in a warm place for some few minutes. It was actually just 30 minutes and we are good to go. Now we are about to fry this, and I'm going to show you how you are going to drop this. When dropping it, you make sure you create a hole to get that perfect donut look or shape, okay? So this is how we are going to drop it. You see, so simple. Then you drop it like this, you create a hole, then you drop it. So simple. I know you've gotten it. So I'm just going to take you straight to where our oil is. Our oil is already on fire, okay? So this is how we are going to drop it. Now let's get started. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, I do appreciate you for always watching my videos. You can see that this is actually so simple to make and it is easy. We use some few ingredients and now we have something to eat. I hope you are going to try this and you will love it. So this is how it looks after some few minutes, like 2 minutes. This is how it looks and it's actually delicious. It is looking so beautiful and so nice. So our Pinkaso is ready. I'm just going to enjoy this with my Hausa cocoa, and it was so nice. Please try this and let me know how it will go, okay, or how it went, okay? So after the Pinkaso is ready, you can just enjoy it just like this or sprinkle some sugar on it. But because I added a pinch of sugar to the water when I was trying to see if the yeast is active, I think it was so nice. Yes, it was so nice. I want it like that. And you can actually add some chopped onions or scallions before you fry as well, and this tastes so good. So I actually enjoyed my like this, but my baby girl told me she wants some sugar, so I added sugar to hers, and that one too was so nice. Thank you and see you in the next one. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.